Here are some strategies you can implement that in the event of damage or corruption, you're hopefully minimising the amount of editing work that you lose. Firstly, duplicating your editing timelines as you work. Every 30 minutes, or every time you make a major change in an edit, duplicate the edit timeline and start to work on a new copy. This firstly makes it easier to jump back to the original edit if you don't like what you've changed, but secondly, in the event of a damaged project file, the timeline you're currently working on may be corrupted. With this method, you now have several backup copies of the timeline, which previously I've been able to import into a new Premiere project when the whole file is corrupted. This will mean that hopefully you won't lose any more than 30 minutes of your editing work. Although time consuming, I often like to save the project file in 3 places, every hour or so as a rough guide. The first is the main save file in the project folder on the hard drive I'm working from. The second is a copy of the project file saved to the internal hard drive on my computer. And the third is a copy to Dropbox. There have been several occasions where the main Premiere file has corrupted on the hard drive I'm working from, and being able to have a backup copy on my computer has minimised the amount of work that I might have lost.